Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm really excited to film because it is this time again. So it's now spring, which is really exciting. Spring's my favorite month of the year. It's my favorite season of the year because my birthday's in spring and it's also just like it starts to get warm, good weather, like it's just really nice. So today I have the BELLABOX Welcome to Wellness Spring Box unboxing with you. I love like the way they package these. The box is so like good quality. So of course it has like the little slip on top that says Welcome to Wellness and it says self-care starts here. So it has like a list of all of the products that you get in the box as usual. This is all the stuff that you get in the box. So we're just gonna pull some random things out and see what's in there. So the first thing that I see on top is this Koala Eco All Natural Multi-Purpose Kitchen Cleaner. Comes in like a little bottle like this. So I believe this is like a little trial size. Where are we? Yeah, so this is a sample size 30 mils. The full size is 500 mils and retails for $11.95. It is 100% biodegradable, eco-friendly plant-derived formula cuts through dirt, grime, and harmful food-borne bacteria without any toxic chemicals. So this has got essential oils in it. And it is Australian, which is a bonus. So I'm definitely gonna test this out in the kitchen. I need to clean the kitchen again. I don't know why or how it always seems to get like messy again. Story of my life. Next product in here is one of these Blue Dinosaur Paleo bars. This is a Lamington flavor. So it's gluten-free, which is great because A is gluten intolerant. I've actually wanted to try one of these. So last season's box was like a little Blue Dinosaur. It was like a energy bar or something that was in there. And I really enjoyed it. And I was looking at these at the health food store. They look really good. So I'm excited to be able to try that and see what it's like. And those are like $3.99 at health food stores. And you can also get them at 7-Eleven and Caltex stations, as well as Woolworths and Govita. Perfect. So next product in here is this little thing from Jolique. This is the Rare Rose Lotion with Hydrating Jolique Rose. So this is obviously a little sample size as well. This is 10 ml and the full size is 50 ml and retails for $59. So it's nice to be able to try this. I believe it's like a gel texture. Yeah, it's a really lightweight texture. Does smell like rose, which I like the smell of rose, but depends on how you feel, but it feels really nice. So good coming into the warmer months because you won't feel like you've got a heavy moisturizer on your skin. Oh, what is this? So these are probiotic, these are the Gutsy probiotic sachets, drink sachets. So they're all gluten-free, no added sugar and lactose-free. And these say just add a sachet to still or sparkling water, shake or stir until dissolved. So I think these will be nice to put in your drink bottle. They have probiotics in them, but it doesn't have an ingredient list. I am excited to try these because I love like probiotics, and these are the 3 flavors that they make. So it's nice you can try one of each and decide which one you like the best. Next product is food. I love food. So this is the Shelby's Healthy Hedonism Dipped and Dusted Almonds. This is cinnamon and yogurt. Again, gluten-free, which is so good. These look really nice. Guys, they taste so good. Where can you buy these from? Oh my gosh, these are so delicious. They're like almonds coated in yogurt, dusted with cinnamon. Oh, you can buy them at Woolworths. I've never seen these there before. This is what they look like. Do yourself a favor and go get them because these taste amazing. I think they come in other flavors as well. It says they're $3 a packet. I might eat another one. Guys, it tastes so good. Okay, enough eating. So next product in here are looks like some offers. So keep it cleaner, 1 month free. This is like their membership thing, I think. If you follow Steph Claire Smith on Instagram, you'll probably know all about Keep It Cleaner. I've seen her like protein bars and stuff in the supermarket as well. If you need some workout inspo, it's like a daily workout app. And then the other offer here is the What's Club Candle. We're an Aussie candle subscription club. Each month we create 2 different candle boxes. sweet or fruity or fresh or earthy. So it's a $20 discount off a trial box. So that's really nice. Next up, we have this little sample size. This is Lean Blend Superfood Infused Coffee. This is a latte sachet. It's dairy and lactose free, it's vegan friendly, no bloating or digestive discomfort. I love coffee. I've been trying to like cut back on it a little bit, but I'm excited to try this. I like that it's in a little sachet because they could be nice to take to work, because I try not to, but sometimes I do go buy a coffee. But this is nice because you don't need to add milk to it. You can just add boiling water, or if you want it, you can, like if you want it cold, you can blend it with water, milk, and ice. So a 24 pack of those is $34.95, and you can buy them from leanblend.com.au. Next product in here is this bamboo lysocell eye mask from Attitude. Let's open this baby up. The packaging is really cute, like it has all little eyes all over it. Okay, and it's really soft. So this comes from the brand Attitude, 5 More Minutes Sleep Mask. This retails for $25 and it's available at attitude.com.au. It's crafted from 100% organic bamboo lyocell. I'm not really sure what lyocell is, but it's hypoallergenic and breathable, and it sits gently on your eyes to block out any light without rubbing on your lashes. So I've actually been wanting to get one of the slip eye masks for sleeping. This feels very, very soft, but I think I'm gonna try this one out for a while. Cute. Next, I'm gonna open this big one because it's staring at me and it looks really exciting. So this is the Carmen's muesli. So it's in like a tin, which is really, really cool. So it's a limited edition tin. It's 5 grain and seed granola, almond, vanilla, and cinnamon. Fruit free. Is this gluten free? So this contains gluten containing cereals. So Ben will probably get to enjoy this, not me, which is sad, but it's still really cute and really nice, like healthy treat. You could add this obviously with yogurt, you can have it with milk. Ben really, really likes granola, so I think he'll enjoy this. But yeah, if you're not gluten intolerant, I'm sure this is gonna be amazing. Jealous. Okay, next product here is the Manakata Beauty. This is the Bloom Volumizing Mascara. I just opened a new mascara today too, so I'll have to wait to try this. This is what the packaging looks like. It's all like twirly. This mascara retails for US $29, which is probably like $35, $37 here in Australia. We also have an eye cream in here. So this is from the brand Katie Botanicals. So it's got cucumber oil, jojoba oil, kakadu plum, and lily pilly in it. This eye cream retails for $79.95, and it looks like there is a few options you could have received in your box. So you could have received the eye cream, the hand cream, or the body lotion. I am glad I got the eye cream because my eye cream is running out at the moment and I'm due to get a new one soon. So it's a skincare brand that believes in clean beauty without harm. So Katie Botanicals is made with potent Australian plants and no harmful ingredients like artificial fragrances, colors, parabens, sulfates, or petrochemicals. They're not tested on animals either, so they are cruelty free. Next is this Manicare Sensi Scrub. This is a 3-in-1 silicone wet body brush. So this retails for $15. You can buy it at Chemist Warehouse and independent pharmacies. So you can use it to massage your, like the back of it has like these, so the back of it has like these massage nodules. So you can use it to like massage your muscles, which actually this feels really nice. And you can use it like to wash your body. So it's silicone, so it's not gonna harbor any bacteria either, which is really nice. And yeah, I feel like this would be really nice to rub. I always get really tight calves and like hamstrings, so this would probably be really good to rub on them to stop them from cramping up. Next product in here is this one from BELLABOX. This is a reusable straw and brush. It's a really pretty gold color. So it's nice that it comes in like the little case like this, because I have reusable straws, but I don't take them with me places because I don't have anything to put them in. But this one here I think will live in my bag so that I don't have to have a plastic straw. It's really important to be aware, like when we're out and about, like bringing coffee cups, like reusable coffee cups, and trying to avoid single-use plastics, because it's not good for the planet. This retails for $20, which for one straw is kind of pricey, but I mean, it is a gold straw and it comes in a little case. The next product in here is this one here from Revita Nail. This is actually the last product in the box. This is the conditioning nail polish removal wipes. So they're acetone free and they've got vitamin E in them. This is really handy. I always get my nails like done with S&S, but I normally paint my toenails myself. So this is really good if you do need to just quickly touch up, or if you do paint your nails and you hate having to like find the cotton pad. They just come in a little container like this, so really good for on the go. I definitely will hold on to these and make use of them. So that is it for the box, guys. So I'm so excited about this, but I wish I could eat it because I love Carmen's. They do have like other products in this brand that are gluten-free. Ben's gonna be so stoked with this though. And then once all of the food's used up inside, we can refill the tin with maybe something that is gluten-free. But this I think is a really, really cute addition to the box. This, I didn't even tell you how much it retails for. $7.50. This is obviously a full size of the granola. Sometimes I just want to treat myself, but I know I shouldn't because I'll feel sick. But that one there's a real standout. I am so excited to try the eye cream, and these are freaking delicious. So you need to go try them, or tell me if you got the box, what flavor did you get, and were they delicious? Do I need to go buy them? Because these were so yum. The box is really good. I love like getting food in things, like things that I wouldn't normally try. Obviously it's nice to get like things for the house as well. The straw is really, really cute, and I'm gonna pop that in my bag and take it around. I take it to work with me and when I go places, so I don't have to get a plastic straw. I don't really use straws very often anyway. It's mainly if I get like iced coffee or something. I'm definitely gonna try this. I'll probably, when I do try it, I'll put on my Instagram story and give you my verdict on it. So if you wanna hear what I have to say about the rest of these products as I use them, make sure you follow my Instagram. It'll be linked down below. But that's the end of this video. So that is the spring Welcome to Wellness BELLABOX unboxing. Tell me if you got the box, what were your favorite products? What were some standouts to you? And what are you looking to see in the next Welcome to Wellness box? The next one will be summer. So I can't wait to see what they give us in that one. But for now, make sure you give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on future videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.